The lifetime of our previous gluing machines was coming to an end, and we needed to find something that was innovating, that enabled us to be more autonomous and especially increase the safety. I had a tip from a glue supplier that this equipment performed really well compared to competitors. So we decided to do a trial, and I also spoke with technicians from other food companies to confirm this opinion. The safety issue we had with the older technology, with the previous generation machines we had, was the glue tank. We had to fill them up with a ladle, open the lid and pour the granules in. We had several liters of glue at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. As you fill the tank, you get spatters. You had to wear a visor and put gloves on. It was quite strict in terms of personal protection equipment, and the risk of getting burns was quite big. It was quite problematic. The granules are automatically fed from the container into the machine, so the operators no longer have access. It's a closed system, so no risk of getting burnt. Today, our operators are no longer in contact with the heated compartment of the gluing machine. All they have to do is simply fill the container with granules. It has a large capacity, so refilling them is done after every few shifts. That's really handy. After that, the machine manages by itself the granule consumption, as well as the required dosage based on the glue consumption. After 1 year, we've saved around 50% glue, and we know we still have a potential of saving 20% more. Our first objective was 45%, so we're clearly above target, and retaining the same gluing efficiency. Compared to previous generations, where we were faced with cleaning issues due to the glue burning, the glue carbonized. We had to flush the system and perform maintenance jobs more often. This is no longer the case. We hardly have to clean the nozzles now, and the hoses do not clog up. So there, we've also gained a great deal of maintenance time. With the old system, at best, we needed 45 minutes before the glue reached its optimal temperature. Today, it's 10 minutes. Why am I talking to you today? I'm here to tell you that we are very satisfied at all the levels I previously mentioned: safety, reliability, cost efficiency, productivity, and also collaboration. We had a very constructive and honest collaboration with the sales team and the technical experts at Graco. Very happy. I think the project was a real success and enabled us to get to the benchmarks we set, and even further. Truthfully, it's a project that we developed together, and it was flawless from beginning to end.